Hi, my name is Daniel Cornejo. I'm with SquareV LED. I'm the lead technical support specialist, and this is SquareV. This year we have our FOSS line, which is our copper wire LED. It's our economy entry-level LED. It's same quality, same quality you know to expect from SquareV. It's great stuff. We love it. It's really popular for our house of worship clients and customers, and we've also got SquareV, tried and true, trusted installation product, portable product for rental houses and production companies. And our big debut this year is both our COB product over here and our all-in-one Omnia that utilizes COB technology as well. So this is all-in-one for our corporate customers, lobbies, corporate meeting rooms, things like that. It's got built-in Android-based UI, HDMI in and out, USB, Bluetooth. It's a great product. We're loving it. It's gotten a lot of attention this year, and we're just really liking it. Thank you.